It's great to be able to collect feedback, but you really need to be able to handle it too. Let's look at how this is done using Juji. In this example, we're going to ask a question: who is Lady Gaga? Juji responds, "I'm sorry, I can't help with that. As a customer, I'm not happy," and show my dismay by leaving feedback. Now if we go to the reports section and then audience, we'll see there's been 2 pieces of user feedback left. And we can see the same question has been asked twice. So let's look at the first one. Marcus said, "Who is Lady Gaga?" And the answer was, "I'm sorry, I can't help with that." And Marcus said, "I really need an answer." We also have Joan, who's asked the same question. So let's answer Mark. We get a great option here: help me fix it. So we'll find some information here on the screen, and all we need to do is the click Act Now button. That'll take us to the Q&A board, and we can see the question has already been pre-populated and it's just waiting for us to add the answer. Once you have the answer, we just need to click Submit.